Hello, my dear family members. I hope all of you are preparing well for your upcoming Cognizant technical assessment. I don't know whether you are interested in cluster 1 or cluster 2, but for cluster 2, the cloud computing questions are very important. So, today we'll discuss some important cloud computing questions which are commonly asked and recently asked in Cognizant. So, let's see. But before we proceed, I would recommend you to have the prime materials of Cognizant, in which I have included all the mock tests, all coding questions, technical questions, and all recent questions. So to get that, knock me at my ID instagram.com/techno.tf, or you can comment down. Okay, so let's start. So as I observed, the most of the questions were asked from situation based, right? So that's why I will discuss all the situation based cloud computing questions today, right? So let's start with the first question. So the first scenario is, a government agency requires a highly secure cloud environment to store and process sensitive data. Which cloud deployment model should they choose? Public, cloud, hybrid, or multi-cloud? So what should be the correct answer in this scenario? Okay, so let me answer this. The private cloud should be the proper fit for this case, right? Because private cloud provide a dedicated environment with enhanced security and control, making them suitable for storing and processing sensitive government data, right? And any sensitive data which will be secured in this model, I mean in this deployment, right? So at first let me tick it. So private cloud should be the correct answer in this case. Okay, so the next question is, a startup company wants to minimize costs and scale resources quickly as its user base grows. Which cloud deployment model is most suitable? Okay, so public, private, hybrid, and multi. So I will give you total 10 questions, scenario based cloud computing questions from deployment model. Then I will discuss on cloud model. Okay, so what should be the correct answer in this case? Okay, so public cloud would be the perfect fit for this case, because public cloud offers cost-effective solutions with scalable resources, allowing startups to pay only for what they use and scale quickly as needed, right? So that's why public cloud will be best suit for a startup company to minimize the costs and scale resources, right? So I hope you understood. So the next question is this: a large corporation wants to keep some of its critical applications on premises while using the cloud for additional resources during peak times. Which cloud deployment model should they use? Public, private, hybrid, or multi? So I hope you will give importance to this question, because this type of questions were really asked. That's why I am giving you. Okay, and if you want the prime materials in which I have included all these type of questions, so to get that, knock me at my ID instagram.com/techno.uf. You'll get it. Okay, and be mindful, this is paid. Okay, so what should be the correct answer for this? Okay, so hybrid cloud would be the correct fit for this case, right? Because hybrid clouds combine on-premises infrastructure with cloud resources, providing flexibility to keep critical applications on premises and use the cloud for additional capacity, right? That's why hybrid cloud would be the correct fit for this case. Okay, so the next question is, a multinational company wants to use cloud services from multiple providers to avoid vendor lock-in and improve redundancy. Which cloud deployment model is appropriate? Public or private or hybrid or multi? Okay, so without expanding, let me give you the answer. That is, in this case, multi-cloud would be the correct answer. Okay, why? Because multi-cloud strategies involve using cloud services from multiple providers, right? And it reduces the risk of vendor lock-in and enhancing the redundancy, right? That's why multi-cloud would be the correct fit. Okay, so the next question is a quick question for you, so please give the answer. A healthcare organization needs to comply with strict data privacy regulations while leveraging cloud computing for non-sensitive workloads. Which cloud deployment model should they consider? Public, private, hybrid, or multi? So I am leaving this question as a quick question for you. So I hope you will give the answer, and I'll see how many of you are attentively watching and how many of you are actually understanding. Okay, if you have any problem, then let me know in the comment section, right? Okay, so that I can aware of this. Okay, and if you want to discuss more, then please join our Telegram channel t.me/ubcanna. You will get to know a lot of details. Okay, so let me show you the next question, that is, an e-commerce company wants to ensure high availability and disaster recovery by distributing its infrastructure across different geographic regions and cloud providers. Which cloud deployment model is suitable? Public, private, hybrid, or multi? Okay. So question number 6. Please give the answer. Please wait a little, then think, then give the answer. Okay, so what should be the correct answer? Okay, so let me give you the answer, that is multi-cloud in this case would be the correct fit. Okay, because multi-cloud deployment provides high availability and disaster recovery by distributing resources across various geographic regions and cloud providers, enhancing resilience. Okay, so that's why multi-cloud will be the best suit for this case. Okay, so the correct answer is multi-cloud. The next question is, a financial institution needs a highly controlled and secure environment for its core banking systems, but wants to use the cloud for less critical applications. Which cloud deployment model should they choose? Public, private, hybrid, or multi? So question number 7 is also very important. So please pause the video, think a little, then give the answer. Okay. Okay. So the correct answer will be hybrid cloud. Okay. So hybrid cloud would be the correct fit, because hybrid clouds offer the security and control needed for core banking systems in the private cloud, while allowing the use of public cloud for less critical applications, right? So that's why the correct answer will be hybrid cloud. Okay, the next question is, a research institution needs to process large data sets using high performance computing resources temporarily. Which cloud deployment model is most cost effective for this requirement? Okay, so actually this question is repeated, so I hope you will give importance. Okay, so question number 8, the correct answer will be public cloud. Okay, because public cloud provides on demand high performance computing resources which are cost effective for temporary needs without the need for large capital investment, right? As you have already gone through that, a startup, when they require less money, less expensive things, right? When they want to minimize the cost, they need public cloud. That's why whenever it is related to cost effectiveness, then try to go with public cloud, right? I mean, try to tick on public cloud so that it can be 90% right. Okay, so, okay, the next question is, an organization wants to maintain control over its IT infrastructure but also wants to use cloud services for scalability and cost efficiency. Which cloud deployment model should they use? Again, this is a very important question, so please give the answer. Okay, in this case, the correct answer will be hybrid cloud. Option C will be the correct answer. Okay, sorry, option C will be the correct answer, because hybrid cloud allows the organization to maintain control over its IT infrastructure while leveraging cloud services for scalability and cost efficiency. Okay, so that's why hybrid cloud will be the best suit for this case. Here are two requirements, right? One is control over IT infrastructure, and they also need cost effectiveness. Okay, that's why hybrid cloud is best suit, not public. Okay, okay. The next question is also a quick question for you. A tech company wants to utilize the best services from different cloud providers to optimize performance and cost for various applications. Which cloud deployment model is appropriate? So please pause the video, then give the answer in the comment section. Okay, so I hope you understood. Okay, so the next question is from cloud model, and these are very important for any company, any corporate sector which are including cloud as their one of the important subject, right? So if you are having any exams which are having cloud as subject, then these questions are very important, right? These are mainly based on cloud models, so I hope you will give importance to these. Okay, so a small business needs to set up a virtual server to run its custom applications and manage the operating system and middleware. Which cloud model should they choose? SaaS, PaaS, IaaS, or DaaS? Which one should be the correct suit for this case? Okay, so let me answer. Option C will be the best suit because IaaS infrastructure as a service provides virtualized computing resources over the internet, allowing the small business to manage their custom application, operating system, and middleware, while the cloud provider manages the underlying infrastructure, right? That's why the correct answer will be infrastructure as a service. Okay, so let me show you the next question, that is regarding a development team wants to build and deploy a new web application without worrying about managing the underlying hardware and software stack. Which cloud model is most suitable in this case? Okay, so the best suitable cloud model is in this case PaaS. Okay, option B will be the correct fit for this case, platform as a service, because it allows the development team to build and deploy web applications without managing the underlying hardware and software stack, right? So I'm not discussing it anymore, so let me show you the next question. So an organization wants to use a complete software solutions for customer relationship management accessible via a web browser. Which cloud model should they opt for? So the correct answer will be, in this case, SaaS, SaaS, software as a service. This is very important, right? That's why you have to give significant importance. Okay, so why SaaS? Because SaaS delivers complete software solutions over the internet, accessible via a web browser, right? And it is ideal for the organization needing a CRM, right, customer relationship management without managing infrastructure or software updates, right? That's why SaaS is the best suit for this case. Okay, so the next question is, a company needs to deploy a scalable and customizable database solutions where they manage the database and the provider handles the underlying infrastructure, right? Which cloud model fits this requirement? SaaS, PaaS, IaaS, or FaaS? It can be asked that what is FaaS, right? So there is a term called FaaS, that is function as a service. This is not common, but this is also used, right? So in this case, the correct answer will be PaaS, right? Platform as a service. As I already discussed, that is PaaS fits this requirement because it provides a platform for deploying scalable and customizable database solutions, right? That's why the company manages the database and applications while the provider handles the underlying infrastructure, right? So that's why PaaS is the best suit for this case. Okay, the next question is a quick question for you. So a retail business needs a complete suite of office applications like email, document editing, and collaboration tools accessible from anywhere. Which cloud model should they use? This is very easy questions and very commonly asked questions in any company. So I hope you will give importance. Okay. So the correct answer in this case will be what? I hope you will give importance. I hope you will give all the quick questions in a single comment. Okay. So let me show you the next question. That is question number 6. A startup wants to minimize its initial capital expenditure by renting virtual machines and storage instead of purchasing hardware. Which cloud models is ideal for this purpose? So what should be the correct answer? Okay. In this case, the correct answer will be option C, that is IaaS, infrastructure as a service, right? Because it provides a complete suite of office applications over the internet accessible from anywhere via web browser, right? So that's why IaaS will be the correct suit for this case. Okay. So the next question is, a software development company needs a collaborative environment for its developers to write code, test, and deploy applications efficiently. Which cloud model should they use? Should they choose? PaaS, SaaS, IaaS, or FaaS? Okay, so let me answer this. The correct answer will be PaaS, that is platform as a service, because it provides a collaborative environment, or as I have already discussed, right? So that's why PaaS will be the correct answer. Okay. So the next question is, a marketing firm requires an email marketing tool that can be accessed via a web browser and offers various templates and analytics features. What should they use? What the correct answer will be what? So please pause the video, think a little, then give the answer. Okay. Otherwise this will not be helpful for you. Okay, so the correct answer will be SaaS, right? Guys, if you want any other discussions, any other company content, then let me know in the comment section. I'll give importance to your comment, right? Please suggest me which content do you want more, which company's content do you want more, right? And if you want any prime materials, any help, then also you can knock me at my Insta ID, instagram.com/tekno.uf. I will try to assist you. Okay, so let me show you the next question. That is, a gaming company needs to create a highly scalable backend infrastructure for their multiplayer only online game that can handle variable loads. So what can be the correct suit for this case? So the question 9 answer is IaaS, as I have already discussed. That is, in this case, IaaS allows the gaming company to create a highly scalable backend infrastructure capable of handling variable loads for their multiplayer online gaming, right? And that will give them efficiency, like flexibility and scalability as well, right? So that's why IaaS will be the correct suit for this case. The next question and the last question for this session, that is, a company wants to build serverless applications where they only focus on writing the code and not managing servers. Which cloud model is more suitable? So this is the best question I have ever seen. So in this case the answer will be an exception. So I hope you understood what should be the correct answer. Again, this is a quiz question, so please give the answer. Okay, so if you want the rest of the questions, if you want the remaining questions, then please let me know so that I can continue to the next video, right? So I hope this much of discussion is enough, and this much of discussion added value to your career, added value to your preparation. So I hope you will subscribe this channel and watch the playlist regarding any company that you want. And if you want any other content, then let me know in the comment section. Okay, so I hope you will do so what I have told you. So thank you for today's session.